Hello, this is Scott Bucciano from Telecoms.com here at 5G World 2018, and I'm talking to Eric from Exfo, and I'm talking to Ala from Zain KSA. And we've been talking about service assurance. So Ala, I'm going to start with you. I know that you've been partnered with Exfo for around 3 years in this area. Can you tell us why you started that partnership and how it's gone?
Okay, the 3 years thing, it was like a company strategy set by our current CEO. We wanted to find partners in all the aspects in the network, like deployment, network monitoring, and we floated an RFP to cover all those requirements. In the network monitoring part, we had a lot of challenges that we need to target and address. We have high customer expectation, and it's rising day by day. We have a lot of requirements from other departments to enable them to use the data that we have to, let's say, enrich their work and find the new revenue streams and increasing our profit in the network. That's how we started our partnership with Exfo 3 years back.
Okay, thanks a lot. So, Eric, why don't you tell us a little bit more about what's different about the solutions that Ala was just talking about compared to what else is on the market?
Sure. Actually, our service assurance solution is big data ready. So it means that we can already take advantage of all the native algorithms to develop data science. And basically, in Astadia Exfo, we didn't wait for the big data to already be full speed in data science. So from this perspective, we have already some achievements. And typically with Ala, in fact, we have even set up already the churn prediction project. In fact, churn prediction project is from a traditional churn model. In fact, we go with a higher performance in terms of prediction thanks to the richness of our data. It means that we are able not only to predict ahead of time, let's say, the subscriber who will churn, in fact, with 70% of prediction, which is very high. It's not only churn, we did also NPS prediction. Basically, the NPS is really a headache for operators, in fact. They get some survey, some customers who are not happy, but they cannot locate where they are, they cannot troubleshoot, in fact. Thanks to our project, in fact, we can locate them, we can troubleshoot, we can even predict, let's say, if the situation will go and get better. In fact. From a data science perspective, we did also other aspects like some clustering, segmentation of all the customer base with a new set of segments, which allow the customer on operator and marketing teams to deliver new campaign and even new portfolio. And this was really revenue generated.
Okay, thanks a lot. So back to you, Ala. Can you tell us a bit more about how these solutions we've just been hearing about have been integrated into your day-to-day business processes?
Mm-hmm. During those 3 years, we developed 40 plus use cases covering all departments, technology, customer value management, marketing, fraud and customer care. We distributed the use cases on a time frame, like we had quarterly meetings to set up the deliverables for each quarter. Some of them were like straightforward, you can do the development in no time, and some of them were built as a project. Like for NPS prediction, as an example, we started with getting the requirement, building the metrics, building the initial model. Then we send a survey to the customer, compare the result back, and do fine-tuning, adjustment, and run the full process again. This is how we worked in the 3 years. It was more like a partnership, not like I'm sending request, you should reply. It was more into partnership, let's say, mode, and it worked fine for us. Most of the teams are using now the use cases we developed. So no more silos between departments. We are getting the maximum benefit from the data that we have in the network already. Just one more thing to add here in 5G. We'll start dealing with machines, IoT. So it will be really necessary to have the network assurance and network monitoring to meet the SLA for all customers, regardless if they're like machines or human. Some of the services will be touching human lives. So it's really critical, and we need to make sure that our services are running and all the requirement and SLA are met.
Okay, great. Thank you both for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Scott.
Thank you to you.